Hi, welcome to the NMK Experience Center. I'm joining you from the NEAT meeting room. So in this meeting room, we have the NEAT board, the NEAT center, and the NEAT pad. Now, if you look at the NEAT board, you can see how much the camera is able to capture, but you can also see a lot of wasted screen real estate. So this basically shows why sometimes the far end cannot understand who may be talking. To fix this, NEAT has come up with a feature called NEAT Symmetry. This works on facial recognition and it captures each person in the room and focuses on them, thus making sure that no screen real estate is wasted. Now, what if we're not always looking at the front of the room? Sometimes we like talking to ourselves, maybe even just amongst ourselves, and this may make the far end feel like they're not part of the meeting. In this situation, the NEAT Center captures us not just with the 360 camera, but also with the omnidirectional microphone. This microphone has a 3-meter range of capture and allows you to have a much clearer audio experience. So this is a small sneak peek into the NEAT Center and what it can do. If you would like to have your own personal demo or for a partner or a customer, please feel free to come to the NMK Experience Center and we can organize one for you. Thank you.